Gemma 4 or Qwen 3.6? Which local model should you actually run for your coding agent? 3 times SWE-bench gap, one config flag that silently breaks tool calling. By the end, the exact model for your GPU. Gemma 431B, Gemma 426B. Qwen 3.635B A3B. That A3B means active 3 billion out of 35B total. 3 local models on the same Agentic coding benchmark. Scores around 52, around 17, around 73. In part 1 we ranked the Gemma 4 variants. The 26B middle model looked like the sweet spot. 24 gigs, strong general performance. For chat that holds. For Agentic loops it is a 3 times cliff. Qwen 3.6 dropped 12 days later and scored around 73 on the same benchmark. Not a Qwen win story, not a Gemma 4 loses story. By the end, the exact model for your hardware. And breaking news. 6 hours before this video went live, Alibaba dropped a 4th model, the Qwen 3.627B dense. Smaller than the A3B, higher scores. We cover it. The benchmark gap is only half the story. Hardware changes everything. On a single RTX 4090, Qwen 3.6 runs at around 175 tokens per second. Gemma 431, B-dense on the same GPU around 43. Same hardware, same quant, same context. 4 times slower. On an Apple M5 Max with 128 gigs, Qwen 3.6 hits around 120 tokens per second. Gemma 431B on the same machine, around 20. That is a 6 times gap. Now put that in an Agentic loop. 50 steps. At 43 tokens per second, you are waiting 8 minutes. At 175, you are done in 2. This is not a benchmark number. This is time you are sitting there watching a spinner. One caveat, these are single card numbers at Q4KM. If you split Qwen 3.6 across dual 16 gig cards over PCIe, that architectural speed advantage evaporates. Single card, unified memory, or bust. Quick VRAM math for Qwen 3.6 at INT4. Around 22 gigs with a short context fits a single RTX 3090 or 4090. Push to the full 262,000 token context and you balloon past 64 gigs. Know your budget before you load it. Back to the cliff. 3 bars, around 73 for Qwen 3.6. Around 52 for Gemma 431B dense. Around 17 for Gemma 426 BA4B. The 26B is a mixture of experts model. It only activates around 3.8 billion of those parameters at a time. Which sounds efficient. And it is, for general chat and single step tasks. For autonomous agent loops that navigate repositories and chain dozens of tool calls. The sparse activation is working against it. The 31B dense reads all its weights every token. That is why it scores 3 times higher on the same benchmark. Here is where Qwen 3.6 wins even harder. It has something called always-on chain of thought. Its reasoning traces persist across turns in your Agentic loop. Gemma 4 does not have an equivalent mechanism. Context rot builds up faster, long sessions start to drift. For Ada and Rucode users, that drift is exactly the mid-session I forgot the plan failure you have probably already hit. And the breaking news. Alibaba just dropped the 27B dense. On SWE-bench verified it scores around 77. Dense beats MoE on smaller hardware. Gemma 4 does not disappear when Qwen 3.6 arrives. It just works differently. First, tool calling accuracy. Around 86% first pass accuracy, with an average of 3 tool calls to complete a task. Sparser models can take 10. If you are running production automations where every failed tool call costs real time, that reliability matters more than raw SWE-bench. Second, math reasoning, Gemma 431B. Then scored around 89% on AIME 2026. That is near-frontier mathematical planning from a model that fits on a single consumer GPU. A year ago, the same family was getting 1 in 5, right? Third, if you need Apache 2.0 licensing, Vertex AI for sovereign cloud deployment, or day 1 ARM and Qualcomm optimization, Gemma 4 is the only local choice right now. Qwen 3.6 is open weights but does not have a unified enterprise cloud bridge. Honest caveat: on HumanEval Plus, Gemma 4 31B scores around 31%. Qwen 3.6 scores nearly 90. Raw code generation is not Gemma's lane, tool reliability and math are. Different cognitive profile, different compliance story. Not a worse model, a different tool. And there is one practical fix Gemma 4 users need to know before anything else. If you are running Gemma 4 31B in llama.cpp and your tool calls are returning broken JSON, or your agent is routing responses to the wrong handler, this is the one thing to check first. The jinja flag, without it, llama.cpp does not apply the correct tool calling template. The model formats its output, the runtime misreads it, and you get silent failures that look like hallucinations when they are actually a config problem. Add the jinja flag, and the same setup goes from broken JSON in red to 3 clean tool calls in green. The agent completes. Done. For KV cache, Gemma 4 defaults to a large float, 32 KV cache, nearly a gigabyte for standard contexts. Switch to 8-bit KV quantization and it drops by nearly half. For Qwen 3.6, the formal context window is 262,000 tokens locally, but context rod sets in past around 125,000. Clamp it there, plus 8-bit KV cache for stable long sessions. Qwen 3.6 uses one more flag, reasoning budget 4096. If your agent ever hangs mid-session, looping inside its own thinking block, that flag forces a cutoff. Paste once, problem gone. Over 1,000 builders. Daily hangouts, weekly workshops, and a community that actually ships together. 3 full courses. The Agentic coding course, 18 modules. Master the systems that make AI coding repeatable. The AI Agent Mastery course, build production agents with N8N and Python. And the Second Brain Bootcamp, 8 modules, build your own personal AI system from scratch. Link in description, 10% off. Back to the video. Qwen 3.6 has one quantization trick no other local model currently supports. Standard quants like Q4KM are baseline. KP quants go 1 or 2 quality tiers higher for only around 5 to 15% more file size. They use something called an importance matrix, I matrix, which profiles which weights the model actually relies on heavily, then preserves precision where it matters most. Q6 KP, 1 tier up, Q8 KP, 2 tiers up. Both from the Onslaught Hugging Face page, linked in the description. This matters most for vibe coding and front-end generation. Qwen 3.6 is already strong on glassmorphism layouts and zero-code games from a visual prompt. The KP quants push that visual coherence further without touching your VRAM budget. One more Qwen 3.6 exclusive native vision. Built into the architecture, not a plugin, not an adapter. But you need one setup flag, mmproj, pointing at the multimodal projection file. Forget it, and your server crashes on the first image. Set it, and vision runs at around 34 tokens per second on an M1 max. So which one do you actually run? One visual, one answer. Are you doing agentic coding, repository level debugging, SWE-bench type tasks in Ada or Roo code? If you have a 24 gig GPU or 64 gig plus Apple Silicon, either Qwen 3.6 27B dense or the 35B A3B. The new 27B dense is smaller and scores higher on SWE-bench verified. The A3B still wins on KP quants and raw throughput per watt. Are you running production tool calling pipelines where first pass reliability matters more than speed? Complex multi-step math? Enterprise environment with Apache licensing or Vertex AI requirements. Gemma 431 B dense, no jinja flag, no agent. Once you add it, 3 call completions, near frontier math reasoning, enterprise ready license. What about dual 16 gig PCIe setups? Q4 KM on a single 32 gig card beats split VRAM every time. The PCIe bus kills the throughput advantage. If you can run both at Q4 KM and on 64 gig Apple Silicon, you can switch backends per task in your llama.cpp or ADA config. Use Qwen 3.6 for repo work, Gemma for 31B for toolchains and document parsing. Neither of these is universally better. That is the honest read. Qwen 3.6 is the faster autonomous agent on standard hardware. Gemma 431. BDense is the more reliable tool caller and the better math reasoner, with a cleaner enterprise story. The 26BA4B is still a solid general purpose model. Just not for agentic loops. If you are running it for agent work specifically, switch to the 31 BDense or to Qwen 3.6. Today, download links for both in the description. If you do not want to self-host Qwen, Alibaba Cloud runs it at around 38 cents per million tokens, also linked below. Qwen 3.6 or Gemma 431B. Which one is actually running your agents right now? Drop it below.